Okay, we're doing a bike check on a 2011 We the People Trust off of Dan's Comp, $403, and it was originally $559. It's a pretty good deal. I got the frame is aftermarket to this complete bike, and so are the forks. The frame has a 2-year warranty. The forks have a lifetime warranty, so that's good. Big giant We the People bars, which are amazing because they're big. I have We the People stock grips, We the People bar ends, a Rant 2-finger brake lever, Odyssey linear cable, not Odyssey, Eastern linear cable, and it's giant, as you can see. It's like out to here. It needs to be trimmed by like 10 inches. A Salt Plus stem, Salt Plus integrated headset, a Salt Plus front hub, Eclat tripping rims. The front one is rounded like this. Back one is more like your normal rim. Back tire is a Salt Pitch Flow, and the front one is a Salt Pitch Raw Rant sticker. The other aftermarket things I have are the pedals, or premium product PC pedals, sealed. I have a aftermarket underbarrel adjuster, my Salt Moto U-brakes, Salt Plus sprocket, Salt Plus cranks, Salt Plus chain, and 25 and 9 gearing, sealed rear hub, sealed front hub, sealed mid BB, and obviously those are integrated, so they're sealed. I have my suede We the People seat of Fury. It's amazing. I have a hollow axle, and that's about it for this. I guess I'll do a hub check. Yep. Yep, that's I think that's everything on this. Overall, it's like a great bike. It's probably, this will last me at least like 8 years. I'd say 8-10 years it'll last me. So I'll be like 22 when this bike is no longer gonna be used. So yeah. But anything else, I'll keep you updated. See ya.